for a front roll, we are going to roll on the ground from one shoulder to the opposite hip. So the setup is from a kneeling position. You're going to take your hands and they're going to be in this sort of a position. So the hand that the shoulder is going to touch the ground first with is pointing towards the other hand. I offset to one side, so my hands are both very off the center line. I'm going to tuck my head through, shoulder comes down, head stays off the ground, and then coming onto the opposite hip. So it goes from this shoulder to this hip on the ground. Again, from a kneeling position, hands in this position, offset, chin tucked, roll, and over to the opposite hip.